gem everyone. So before you can start farming your Layeredge airdrop using bots, first thing first, you have to register. So follow the step that I showed you previously. So the first step you are going to do is for the first timer, you get your Termux on Play Store. Yeah, I'm not talking about iOS now, I'm talking to Android user, because you can't use iOS to be farming airdrop. Yeah, that's it. So you download your Termux on Play Store. So once you download your Termux on Play Store, there are some things you have to do for the first time. So I'm going to show you right now. So I'm not going to spend much time on it. So you do PKG upgrade. Hope you can see it. So press yes. So this is going to take a lot of time, so let us just wait for it. You wait for it to download everything. So after you do the PKG upgrade, you do the PKG update. Yeah, so let's wait. Yeah, so and also if you want to cut your costs, instead of using these, personally I use our VPS, virtual private server. So yeah, virtual private servers are like a kind of company that provides server as a virtual server as a service. So I did a subscription, so you can also do subscription every month, and I think I paid $9 per month. Yeah, and I use PQ hosting. Yeah, sure. So we are done. So the next thing is PKG updates for the first timer. Updates, PKG updates. So you run that one too. Then you do, so there's something we have to download on our machine. So I used to call this machine the machine. So we download something on our machine, though I have it on my system here already. So but for new time, like you are starting for the first time, so you now do PKG install Node.js. Why are we installing Node.js? Is because this machine will be using JavaScript. Some bots are written in JavaScript, so we have to install Node.js so that it can function properly. If the bot is written with Python, you have to install Python. If it is written in Golang, you have to install Golang. So it's that's straightforward, like so simple. So now just hit enter. So I have it already on my machine here. So but as for you are running it for the first time, it's going to load a lot of things, so you have to wait again. So now let's get started. Don't forget, the last time we did the tutorial on Termux, you use CLEA, clear, for removing all unnecessary stuff from the screen. So now let's get started. We want to set up bot for Layeredge. Don't forget. So the first thing we are going to do is I'm going to provide this link that you're seeing here on the description. So you click on it. So what you have to do is just follow the procedure here. That's what we are going to do. You follow the procedure. So the first thing, so let's wait for it to load. I'm not going to spend much time here, so please listen attentively. And once you are having any issue, you can just come here and rewatch again. So yeah, you can see here, first register, don't forget, and I'm going to provide my referral link as well. So the first thing says clone the repository. So you copy it here, you can see, copy it here. Then let's go back to our machine. So don't forget, you paste, then you hit enter. You can see, yeah, we have this as our root. You can see now Layeredge Autobot is our root directory now. So the next step is to use npm install. That's the next step. So since we have created the directory, we have located the directory, so npm install. So in this npm install, we install the dependencies. So we hit enter. So let's wait it to load. So let's wait for that. Let's go back here. So you don't need all this Prosy stuff because you are not using VPS. If you are using VPS, then if you need this Prosy, you have to buy Prosy as well. I think 1 gig is around $1.5 or $2 per 1 gig. Yeah. So the next step is we are going to fill the data with Nano Wallet or JSON. So you have to copy this as well. Then you use npm run start to start your bot. So let's see if this is going to work. You can see it's loading. Let's wait. Now we are done. So the next step is, so don't forget, the last time I'm teaching you how to use all these simple commands in Linux, I talk about ls just to check what is inside. You can see we have a lot of things inside. We have the license and everything. So we don't need that. So clear a lot of rubbish here. So next step is paste Nano Wallet. So this Nano, yeah, I didn't talk about Nano. This Nano is going to open this file inside this Layeredge Autobot. So Nano, that's what Nano works for. It is used to create file inside a folder or to open a file inside a folder. So let's hit enter. So now the format is here already. So don't you get? So you just have to input it. Now for example, now I want to run just only one account here. So what you are going to do is, I'm going to just look at this screen very well and say I'm going to navigate my, you see, this is how, if you want to navigate right, you press this N. If you want to navigate left, you press this place. If you want to navigate up, you press this place. And if you want to navigate down, you press this one. So I want to navigate down. So I want to navigate to the right. Now I want to clear one out of it because I'm using one wallet. I'm not using two. So we are using 2 wallets. So as for those that want to use 3, I'm going to show you something now. You can see that there is comma here in this space. Then the second one, it doesn't have comma. So if you are running 3 accounts, the first one will have comma, the second one will have comma, but the third one at the end won't have comma. If you are running 4 accounts, the first one at the end of this place you have comma. You can see this red comma here. The second one will also have comma at the end. The third one will also have comma, but the fourth one will not have comma. We call it array in programming. So you leave it, you clear it. I'm using only 1 account, so yeah, I'm using only 1 account. Since I'm running 1 account here, so I don't need this comma here. Remove it now. So you move don't forget, you use this one to navigate all this 1 2 3 4. You use it to 1 2 3 up, down, left, right. You see, you use it to navigate. So now I want to remove this. You can see you put your address here, your wallet address that you connect to Layeredge testnet for mining nodes. You paste it here, you paste the address here. I don't have the address, I forget to copy it. Then so let's go to the PK. So you put your own address here, your wallet address. Then PK means private key, so you know how to get your private key. So you clear this one too. Now you go and copy your private key. Then you copy it. You'll be surprised that I'm showing you one private key. Don't worry, I'm not going to see anything there. It's already compromised. So you paste it. So you paste it inside. Make sure the PK is inside the quotes. We call it quotes. Make sure it is inside the quotes. You can see it is inside the quote. Make sure the PK is inside the quote. Now you put, don't forget, you put your what's it called, your address, the address that is like, that is the corresponding address to this private key. You paste it here too. Since I did not copy it, so I leave it like that, so it doesn't mean anything. So then you press Ctrl X, this X, then save to modify buffer. Yes, Ctrl X, Y, then you press Y, then you hit enter here on the keyboard. We are done with the setup. So the next thing we are going to do is npm run start. Npm run start. Npm run start. So you hit enter, then your bot starts working. You can see it, you say initializing and all this. You can see starting. You see. The reason why The reason why this node is not connecting is, let me tell you the reason why. Don't forget, make sure you register your account first on Layeredge testnet. Then make sure you start the node, then you connect it here. First thing first, make sure you register the wallet on Layeredge site before you start using this bot. Is that clear? So that's all. Yeah. So if you have any question, you can just come to the comment section. I'm going to answer you guys. So I'm going to provide a link to the bots repository. Have a nice day.